106.3 FM. I said, "Dina poso na poso edibreo." Shannon son and mammy. Say, you may quite do na asriasne. I didn't post a Dura Plus, where Dura Plus goes, water flows. Erata Motors for the best car batteries and oil. Buy Speedmate batteries and oil from Erata Motors. Ideal milk, Ghana's favorite milk. Latex foam, your partner for life. Societe Generale, SG Ghana, the future is you. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? Agbeve Herbal Center, wire resefi. You may Roma and Yadina Posuna Yadebro. American, you was to trade and ra, and this are my Yukono, a friends and trefo in Shiamu. Na one more focus and ra, a MPP, Amayukono 2016 manifesto. Eba MPP Amayukono a shay. Niama one more kind, so one more back, one bay. Any Akabeye Busumi in Sia, Maya Quatwa Bay, Yaometimi Ayen Wum, Yawamutimi and Yay. If I don't know, I'm fan sector by sector. And I pay Yabashe. What did you go to Kumi at Nasi?
CJ
Boko
Adom said we see far who India. Neboko Neboko we what travel. So me no who see me there. CJ watch him.
Hey. Mezao.
Oga so se Kofi Asante anka meka se nene kokko wanim. Esanse Kofi de no Kofi premier ni. Kofi guy who producers no. When you at rough. Who mun dey ko. Ba se no mboko there.
Adom
me pewata ne color no. Efepa blue no to say blue no.
Me ma kwan na wa kire watwamfoni na kire tifo nyina. But answer na no ma me kwa homa no so.
Wa ma me kwan kra me amebom kwan.
Honorable Samuel Okuje to Blackwa. Member of Parliament for North Tongue. Aba homa no so. Honorable, what me kan me mo akwaba?
Major so many. Boko.
Gusun kakra. Me tell kan ache.
No crap. My best studio one of the days.
Me that's pa enkomo ho nti bomode na bedtime na bra studio. Enra what to boase, and I must commend you for presentation at Oye. First of all. But mamembo sound bitey of Enra Juma Mudi and Afemi we are minjina so na mentwetwen. Me no entwetwen komo. Honorable. Wadaroma.
Yo, no problem.
Okay.
No problem.
Good.
The NDC, after a thorough content analysis of the NDP manifesto, we have counted 631 manifesto promises. 631. As against the 388 which Dr. Baumia put out. So, if you have a government that cannot even be truthful about its promises, its fidelity to the social contract it has with the people cannot even be reliable. You can't trust them to even remember their own promises to us. Then we know that we are really in trouble. So we counted 631. And let me indicate that unlike what Dr. Baumia did, which is available online, where they just list the 388 promises, we have gone beyond that. We have provided a detailed description of where you find the manifesto promise. So every manifesto promise, we provide the page number. Dr. Baumia did not do that. We have done that. We provide the page number. So we list promise number 1. This is the promise, and this is the page number where you find the promise. And at this point, let me announce that this presentation has been uploaded at www.nppfieldpromises.com. nppfieldpromises.com. And we are inviting all of you. To fact check, follow us. We have nothing to hide at all. Ours is a very evidence-based presentation.
Honorable.
Mania.
Website no boy, you know. I've been trying to log on, but me log on what's happening?
Yo, me that's Eddie Kaima Minchati for na Mendamas is frame. Website, you know, just a few minutes after me the announcement, upload the presentation, no. Answer number on stage. Me check website, no. Call website now, upload the full presentation, upload the MPP manifesto, no, to allow for juxtaposing a comparison. Or more on the call website, more interested in an independent verification. Sena Mikaya, no, we don't have anything to hide. But just a few minutes after that announcement, no, and I say all kinds of attacks, hackers descended on the website. Now it be changing numbers, no, it be pull it down, and eventually, no, we just had to shut down the site temporarily. Until IT staff. Further fortification or building more firewalls and they put it up again. It's just unfortunate, sir. What we did, no, buy say and personality attacks. It's just a content analysis. Now, it's good for democracy for us to have this, you know, empirical analysis, have a debate on ideas, on issues based on substance. And you say, where are coming, where are Timmy? And those things are development. And we are surprised, elements in our society will engage in cyber warfare instead of just assessing the data, allowing everybody else to see it, and engaging us in a debate, because we are ready for a debate. What you believe to be your analysis, you put it out, and we have disproved virtually all the claims you have made, and we are putting out the alternative facts based on Ejuma. There was no need for the kind of hacking and cyber attack. But I can assure listeners, everything is being done. Since your announcement, no crano, some IT gurus are reaching out. Almost they will also do everything to provide firewalls and counter almost say website, no, so that Ghanaians will not see the work we have done.
Well, they say I'm logging on now. Meet me if I need information.
Yeah, absolutely. Uber to me at www.mppfieldpromises.com.
Okay. After your presentation, no, so strangely, 14% of MPP manifesto promises achieved. Me and Ramete and Rajutre Masukakra, but Menya Wahumaisi, Mema Sakwenya no. Na watch him how you came about the 14%. Honorable Kujeta Blakwa.
Yo, Medase, follow presentation now. You list promises nina page by page. It's the no MPP or money, sir. They just listed 388, and we proved, say, 388 no crano or mudi ebi kanwa enye promises you can find in the manifesto, and that's the difficulty you run into when you are not providing page numbers. That is, if it is an honest mistake. Ushe yenye diana ya presenting all the promises and the respective page numbers. The Bia Ubehu promise, page 1, page 2, page all the way to page 180. This, as we proved yesterday, the MPP 2060 manifesto, the most voluminous manifesto in the history of Ghana since 1992. 180. And when you list the 631, and then you now come to what they have done, what they have delivered, and we indicated, say, what they have done, we looked at assertions about the Omosi Omwaye. So we analyzed that. Then we also, as ranking members in Parliament, relied largely on Omo documents, budgets are Omo presenting, the message on the state of the nation, the various answers they have given to our questions in Parliament. Ya invite you Omo at the committee level, documents are ya demanding Omo presenting and all of that. It was a thorough work that we did. Apart from that, also we went to the ground to say the promise to, as it were, revive the Kole Lagoon and get its fish stock back. We went there just a few days ago, took pictures. That has not been fulfilled. The promise, Jamestown, Yedesi Port, we went there. There's nothing there. Keta, Ombesi Port, Hosono, Yakoho, all we saw is a signpost and the appointment of a director who is there drawing fuel, drawing salaries without any port at all. Block Bakokra, it's just not available. All of this verification empirically on the ground, assessing documents. We also added international documents of credibility to say World Bank for reports. For example, if you say Ghana, we would improve the ease of doing business. This is a measurable promise. World Bank for every year we are publish the ease of doing business report. And we also attach those reports, the IMF reports, and sometimes government's own reporting to the IMF, and all of that. For example, I'll make Accra the cleanest city. There's a ranking organization or more assessing clean cities. We publish all of that. It's a very detailed, thorough work that we did. We could only count 86 promises or more deliver. 86. When you do the arithmetic, 86 promises delivered out of 631, you get 13.6. Into Minia, 14% no crano. We were generous. Yet 0.4% at the Achelmo. Because we just thought, look, let's round it up and move on. And Usha Ejuma Yayeno, every sector, agriculture, economy, chieftaincy, foreign affairs, governance, health, infrastructure, a sector by sector analysis. Uber economy, for example, we will tell you, sir, we have counted 45 promises. We give you the pages and what those promises are. And then we review that the vice president, in the presentation, he remembered only 30 promises and then smuggled in one that is not in the manifesto. So 14 promises omitted. We did that for every single sector. Now, overall, you notice as many as 235 promises. 235 promises were omitted totally. And I said it is worrying because only the people, the electorate, enter into a social contract. You should not forget. You should not, pretend that you are no longer aware about it. And you shouldn't hope that people too will just, forget about it and move on. When you do that, and as I pointed out throughout the issue of our Fourth Republic, you've had Yenka say, Abambi Bar, Omunya fallible, Omunya mistakes, and that they may not be able to fulfill all their promises. But at least keep sincere. Be sincere with the promises and keep your word. Kai said, some time in our recent history, President J.A. Kufuor, the promise about reducing the size of ministers, as I pointed out yesterday, he leveled up with Ghanaians and said, look, When I was in opposition, I made this promise. Mabano, I looking at the challenges and all of that, mean to me and appointee ministers lower than President Rawlings' ministers. This is my explanation. And Ghanaians accepted it. Professor Mills, one-time premium, did say, what we are demanding, say, especially when you sign a social contract with the people. You put out your manifesto, you tell, because people vote for you based on idea what can say and how they expect those in the implementation of those promises to improve their living conditions. And see, when you come to power, and as many as 235 promises, you can't account for it. You just leave them out, Then you are not being fair to the people.
Honorable Blackwa, I have your document presentation in the Menimha. But there's a section, smuggled promises, for instance, on agriculture. Total promises in manifesto no 74. Total promises per VIP 44. And a smuggled promises no 2. Me interest the baby smuggled promises in one. How did you come by them?
Very brilliant question. How we came by them, and say, we took a fine comb and went through the entire manifesto, counted 631 promises, and listed all the 631 promises. Now, when we had done that, we then came to the 388 promises. Now, Dr. Baumia present here as the number of promises they made or addressing Ghana for the program in Kumasi. And we then also looked at, in the 388, where does it fit in this 631? A hot now you discover, say, 8 of the items or added, you will not find it anywhere in the NPP manifesto. In a whole 8 of them, and we provided OSHA presentation now. We provided those 8. We listed them. In the agri sector, as you have said, economy also had 1 smuggled promise. Energy also had 2 smuggled promises. Security 1 smuggled promise. Social development 2 smuggled promises. Exactly. Exactly. Into that is the explanation, because say 8 promises now, they can't 388 no. Any manifesto, you won't see it anywhere in the manifesto after our thorough content analysis. And you see, it's important, say, in this exercise, you should be sincere. Don't engage in intellectual dishonesty. When we say, if we wanted to just list all MPP promises, we could have done that. Added platform promises during the campaign. And promises are more yes, whilst in power. What that will have meant is it will increase the number of promises. And then percentage in terms of delivery. We tried a model. If you do that, percentage in terms of delivery, better from to 5%. Because, they just love promises. And they keep promising. To say promises, say 1 student, 1 chocolate, say buy more. Yes, I promise. It's not in the manifesto. Every Ghanaian will get a bank account. That promise, it's not in the manifesto, but they promised it. What we did, they say, yes, separate all those promises, because we didn't want to commit the same mistake. Your opponents, we don't want to commit that same error. Until we separated them. As they did, the percentage will have been far lower, something around 5%. Yeah.
Okay, but Sammy, are you able to differentiate between manifesto promise and vision statement and strategic framework? Some you need them, because that's the response the NPP is giving you. So, more increase or more promises, from 388 to 631, because my pick points every one more vision statement and a strategic framework and that's not too good. Sammy?
Minia, what are manifesto promises? I mean, go on social media. Everybody's having a laugh. I mean, manifesto promises and your vision. There will say we all say President Nkrumah was very visionary. How do we tell? How do we come to that conclusion? Yes, you will share Sena Usi Akoso Bodam, Sena Tema City Usi, share Tema Port, share the Tapanda Port, share the way. Look, manifesto is simply your vision document, your vision for Ghana and how you will implement it. What you will do to materialize that vision. And one hour listing. If your vision, you tell us during the campaign that your vision is to modernize agriculture, it is a promise. So vision now, the MPP has listed in their manifesto. Are they telling us, vision, no, the vision statement, and a strategic vision, whatever they want to call it, no, and no, is for the Koreans to come and take and implement in Korea, and now the Burkina base. Burkina Faso for now, those portions about vision. No, it is the rest. No, the vision list. The other items in the manifesto. No, the and President Akufo-Addo vision. Free SHS. No, the free SHS are more implementing. We have given it to them, and they themselves tout it always. No, and no, and your vision, and your President Akufo-Addo vision. I mean, let's stop this ridiculousness. We all sat in the same class. We all read the same English books. Let's stop these things. You see, when you engage in these things, no, you disregard the Ghanaian electorate. You disrespect them. What is this business about a vision? We only put out our vision. It's not promise. I mean, please. It's a vision now. Mode 2 document, no. Togo for now, as a vision, no, to go and implement. And the vision is for Ivory Coast and Azerbaijan. I mean, let's stop these things. Let's respect the Ghanaian people. When you say this is my vision, it's the same, this is my promise. This is what I intend to do. The manifesto is a 4-year document, 2016 to 2020. It's really your vision, the vision you have for Ghana, what and how you intend to operationalize that vision, bring that vision into reality. Because every project be implemented, it starts from a vision, from a conceptualization. You dream it. Say in your mind, say, oh, this is me per se Ghana, Yanya, a public university in every region, which is an NDC agenda and a vision. And when we come to power, you implement it. You go and establish University of Energy and Natural Resources at Washington, and University of Health and Allied Sciences at Ho, and then you keep we call Eastern Region that didn't have a public university. You start work for the University of Environment and Sustainable Development. You are bringing your vision into fruition. You are making your vision materialize. And the whole manifesto, no, it's a vision document. Please. So they are telling us, let's, for the sake of argument, so this is so ridiculous. No? They are telling us in their manifesto, no, 235 vision statements. They should list them. Listed 235 vision statements because that is the number. They're hoping 235 that they have left out. I mean, Minia, let's stop these things. Does this make sense to you, Minia? A vision statement. I mean, what's that? It's a vision, no? It is not. They were just putting it out there to stay in the abstract realm, not to implement it, not to operationalize it.
Okay.
I mean,
Sammy, but so share a Juma mo yeah. Any near Imani Ghana and so for instance, okay. Can say to Imani dear no, but honorable Samuel Okuje to Ablakwa, a member of parliament for North Town, and an ameneno etche and commono. Yebesa a friend be una fian sakana, meneno atu ankomo chucheno.
CJ, Mary, Buakem,
in I feel like you could Bunua,
na friend and no mumitrim. Na me brofnom can I kiss me or Masumdo.
Emudia,
dear Funigiano, Ghana, maybe Nana what your crass and the Sabrofnam can on Fano. Do any man as walk no bunch of boy you see with the enemy.
Honorable Okuta Black Samba man. So honorable, sorry, line no airdrop here. Now me per se ye de Juma Moye ye etutu imani dia. For instance, on economy, Imani has scored MPP by 54.35% in the delivery of its commitment on the economy, and then 46.21% on governance, and 46.44% on infrastructure. In fact, it goes on and on and on and on and on. 43.78% on human capital development and social services, respectively. Clearly, say you haven't been fair to the government.
You, Eddie Kaino, as I say, Ejuma Imani for a year, you know. Money listed far more promises than the government. Aban Kase, they had 388 promises. Imani listed more than 430 promises. And that's the first understanding we must have. Say, Imani for a year or more independent work way before the NDC put out its analysis. No, Imani kind more promises than the government. And the government says Imani force, no, they don't know what the vision. And this whole vision thing, as I've said, is just ridiculous. Your vision for Ghana is your promise to Ghana to make that vision come into reality.
Okay, but Honorable, we've moved from the vision. No, I wanted to look at Imani.
Yeah. So I'm making the point, sir. Usha Imani for now. First of all, they counted more promises than MPP has put out. Secondly, no, if you are working with a lower denominator, sir, if Imani is working with 430, naturally, no, their figures will appear, quite better than if you are working with a higher denominator, which is 631. And that's what accounts for it. Look, we are saying, sir, Mo is no, don't reduce this discussion to MPP, NDC, and some other organization. That's why we gave every journalist who came there yesterday hard copies. And we've also published this online. And we are using, other social media handles. Independent verification. In the economy, MPP can say they will have double-digit growth every year. Check whether they've even achieved that once. They said they will reduce borrowing. The public debt has moved from 120 billion to 236.1 billion. You take the Bank of Ghana document. Still in the economy, they said they will ensure that the business community, their business improves. The ease of doing business will be far better. Check the World Bank ease of doing business report. We have dropped 12 places since they came into power. And you do your own independent verification. We've added additional documentation, how we came to that conclusion. And we welcome independent bodies and individuals, lecturers, public-spirited citizens. You can make some time. Just do the checks. We've put out our data. Do your independent verification. See, we don't want to. It's not about unfairness. I mean, we have no reason to be unfair to anybody. Look, as I said yesterday, we have nowhere to go. This is the only country I know. If it gets better, we are all happy. And I prefer a competition of ideas to the top. A race to the top, not a race to the bottom. MPP on manifesto, they implement about 70 to 80%. Then it challenges us.
But
yes,
Sammy,
can we also do 90%?
Okay.
Then it becomes positive competition.
Sammy, but private independent body no and can be a looking at the kind of political lenses Sammy
No. As a opposition party, we also or even your constitution. We are a multi-party democracy. We share thinkers. They say J.J. Rousseau, Montesquieu, and all of them. They say, look, there must always be checks and balances. You must have a vibrant opposition. If not, there's no democracy. we don't want to be an irresponsible, lazy opposition. When the government makes these claims, we would not also sit down and do a counterfact and be sure exactly what has happened. Because when you do that, it helps you yourself to know that, okay, well, now coming into power, these are the areas they have failed. So these are the things you should also address. Is how your manifesto should go and all of that.
Okay.
And nothing stops other independent bodies. The government rubbish. The government did not agree with them because government didn't like the final results because the overall performance was below. They ranked them average or below 50%. So I mean, also Aban there, they will only praise those who go and agree with them and score them high. What we are saying is, Aban Kasa, even what Dr. Baumia did, and you noticed yesterday we debunked that weird concept of delivering. Oh, we are doing it. I mean, if you take, for example, say, Ubesi Port or Jamestown, now manufacturing plant or KNUS, our checks indicate, say, Munia Sikra, you don't have designs, and yet you say you are delivering. 42 months won't deliver yet you say between now 5 months. Now, you'll deliver. We have done what we believe is right, and this is the kind of discourse that we should promote in our democracy.
Zami, last but one question. 2012 manifesto amended by Ebeye Juma to 2015, 2016 Amufi Abem. Were you able to achieve all the promises in that manifesto?
No. And I have told you, it doesn't normally happen, sir. You'll achieve all your promises. But what you do is, you first of all, you must keep fit. Remember all the promises. Don't.
Hello. We are losing you. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, but
hello, is it better?
Yes,
hello?
yes, it's better now. Metonka.
Yeah.
Metonka.
I was making the point, Eddie Kaino, Yaba Abaino, we did not attempt to hide some of the promises and claim it be a vision that are not to be implemented in Ghana. We never did that. Secondly, we have never said, every government in the world achieves 100%. But what is important is you keep faith with the people and always make sure you deliver. Do your best to do majority of the promises. I mean, a reasonable majority, and let everybody see that you are being honest. Abayan Kasa, omo assessment they are scoring at 33%. 33% is far better than 14%. That is, if they are 33%, we have.
Honorable Jinaye Mami. Hello. I'm saying, Ahomano, but nanka my last question. Ebeye one more website, www.mppfailedpromises.com, and a pen work I say juma, but go see my logo on. My log on.
It's just a matter of log on.
Me log on near a buy no.
Oh, okay.
Hello world. Then.
I'm say uncategorized. Hello world.
Okay. Honorable. Okay. Well, my main trunk of motion is lawyer Yabuabian Samoa, a communication director for the NPP, Meneno, and Chichen and Como. Lawyer.
Hello.
Martin.
Enya.
I want you.
Enya, madam.
14% of your promises achieved so far. And run your NDC for one more air cannon. Clearly, and you're too good. Lawyer.
The NDC for can you be Juman can some Yatini Asumini, a Juma, Omisi, and yet. Come Kushi Ghana, Guy, and your man and making up. Maybe a man of the American is and run. Yahu, a beer snow could be. A baby, Omonia, but they say, Omoso per se, Omonia Tintam. Now, Sha, Yomi in Urabaumia, ɛna ɔmo gyina ne so kwan a ɔmo faa so yɛ no ne nyinaa ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ ɔmo ho te sɛ ɔmo yɛ ba ɔmo so ɔmo nya ɔmo ba wo ɛyɛ krɛ sɛ ɔhwɛ mu a ɔmo hwehwɛ ɔmo ba wo mia ɔmo nya no nti ɛyɛ me de na sɛ mo si ebusa ne sɛ wɔn ma bɛyɛ wei no na kyerɛ sɛ afei deɛ ɔmo ni apere sɛ ɔmo bɛkɔ akɔto aba na sɛ deɛ ɔmo yɛɛyɛ no ɛyɛ wɔn agye ɔmo ho atum sɛ wɔn kyerɛkyerɛ kwan a wɔn de wɔn ho bɛfa so ɛfa no nhyehyɛeɛ a mbɛyɛ ama dɔm na dɔm ho atɔ yɛn amamuo nhyehyɛeɛ afei deɛ wɔn ayɛ wɔn adwene sɛ wɔyɛ amamuo nhyehyɛeɛ deɛ ana yɛ kɔtwerɛ din akɔtu santene akɔto aba sɛ bɛyɛ saa nhyehyɛeɛ no bɛdi mu anaa sɛ saa na ɛteɛ deɛ a ɛna na wɔ so wɔn tumi ne wɔn mpanyinfoɔ kasa wɔn national chairman kasa na otu wɔn fo sɛ wɔn nyɛ din wɔn nyɛ bɔkɔɔ na wɔn kɔtwerɛ din ɛso wɔn bibi pa bi ka kyerɛ ghanafoɔ na mehwɛ a ɛno no yɛsi bi ewie pɛyɔ sɛ ɔmbɛto aba to aba yɛnim nti wei no nso wohwɛ a ɔmo nhyɛ dan kaa sɛ yɛbɛyɛ sɛ bia o baomia no a na ɔmo ta no baomia anyɛ se ɛsɛ ɔhwɛ town hall meeting a baomia kɔyɛɛyɛ ɛna ɔmo nso ɛɛtaataa ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo di akyire ɛnyɛ me nwanwa sɛ ɔmo nya abɛdi akyire baomia baako pɛ baomia no there is only one baomia aomia baako pɛ unya baomia foforo bia wɔ Ghana ha ɛna ɔde ahyia deɛ ɔwɔ hɔ no nti ɛmfa no nto nkyɛn yɛkɔ yɛdim no tɛbi sɛ ɛamanyɔkuo wo NDC wo sɛte questions ma yɛn na wo maake yɛn ɛwɔ sɛ yɛwe menyi ne sɛ NDC bɛsɛte question ama MPP bɛdi nkonim ɛnura me nua ne opon kroma a ɔda ɛbɛwubɔ aso yɛ ano kyerɛkyerɛ mu fɛfɛɛfɛ sɛ ɛno ne deɛ ɔmo ato din sɛ alohobabɔhyɛ a yɛn ahyɛ no koraa no ɛnte saa nti kwan a NDC foɔ ɛfa so asɛbɛ deɛ yɛn yɛyɛ ne bɔhyɛ ɛne deɛ ɔmo no agyina so ɛde abu nkonta atia yɛn no bɛmɛ na meyɛ de agye to mu 14%. Okay. Nti wɔn na wɔn asiesie wɔn ho sɛde wɔn akyerɛ sɛ wei yɛ bɔhyɛ wei nyɛ bɔhyɛ wei yɛ bɔhyɛ biribiara wɔ ayi mu ha gyaa yɛ bɔhyɛ ɛna dabi manyo mu bɔhyɛ nso ɛnyɛ black and white wɔn ti mi maake ne sɛ wei pay baako wei pay mmienu wei pay mmiɛnsa nti yɛntumi nyina no so ɛmfa nyɛ du. Okay, but yɛ kura yɛ no yɛn yɛ no sɛ nipa pii nso ɛsisi a ɔmo wɔ ɔmo ankasa adwene nti nyɛ deɛ NDC fo aka no yɛ de bɛyɛ adu yɛate.
But lawyer YB maame nji wadwen kyerɛ wɔ wei ho page 49 of your manifesto MPP manifesto no dealing with the agricultural sector. MPP promise that the MPP will modernize agriculture. And status now, according to the NDC, they say you have failed. The MPP will improve agricultural production efficiency. You have failed. The MPP will achieve food security.
Failed, no. It's nearly the same. You are launching planting for food and jobs, Anna. Would you?
Me too.
Have we failed? You are launching rearing for food and jobs, Anna. You are launching planting for export, Anna. You think for army worm, Anna. You are a fertilizer subsidy program, air cost, Anna. And so, say failed in modernization. You see warehouse, you better talk at the dear woman. Ya peja Ghana Buffer Stock Company ana. Yenye sa nyema we nyina. Yenye sa nyema we nyina. Nti yeka se modernize agriculture. Nsusudie be no de to ho ehwesi ya feli. Yenye se modernize agriculture. Yi peja kuyeni no otiwo ne sesei no. Na ju ene ni sikasemu. Ade ba kwa yaye ebinsi wiase hada living standards index a yɛde abata koko ho a na yɛ ni kodipo a wotɔn koko 1 ton bia yɛkyɛw $400 ɛka ho easy enu kwa no modernize agriculture ne boso efie cocoa sector na agriculture enu na apija Ghana abesi ne ene ye de ya kwan ene ye de ye school dan ene ye de ye bibia akopim se ewiase sisan ya cocoa e ho mfa so tie nene ye mampani etimi ne ebibrim ha ekuru foforo tenase etintam eye hye ya adwen se cocoa buo na etiko fom no eye sisie enu ti bribia e beton cocoa bia no ye beji mfasodi bi e ka ho enu die se eno ten no so e beba eye $400 e daso ke se ansa na be hia se bi gado kwa wo $400 da ho enipa na omo ye sa no omo ti ya Kenya wiase nyina ma wiase agia tum wiase ti e bi before Ghana ni Cote d'Ivoire wiase e ti asika no ntuka cheme se ye modernize agriculture ni a failure nsusu bi be na odi ye ya failure enti na make se omo de se de ti bia page 49 page 100 document ni nyina on be ka che o si a failure get me finances were adwuma every 2012 every 2017 year kuko yeni o ma timi finance ba ko adwuma me timi finance free 2012 every 20 year consume that year in the friends they failure na ya the friends
okay but like why be interestingly what can cocoa asem CCA we share a presentation now, page 53 of your manifesto.
I didn't watch the presentation. Me primary presentation. Ministry of Information dealt with it.
Okay.
Me debate about their presentation. They make just some presentation.
Me talk me about YB. What said the MPP will reintroduce compensation payments under the cocoa disease control program. Delivered. And Ojin is saying, and I'm just saying, what deliver?
Me see, the me can say, your area. It's to do Mukina hold this information. In Chapel. What would SDS so moving say, I am saying, or my in Chapel. Promises no more so more. Almost the same failure says a pin promises nana. Almost find it, you buy ya near Yana, and almost find it, if you Jan Hono, you better and Sanya, and now who say, I drink a seat in another bit near the promises, Abra won't feel. As if fear Mujayan, take a woman about by Mubatus, Fina, woman to me yappy. A woman to me yappy. And so, yet the manifesto about by you. I bet to Shadia, Shabby, no one to me yappy, on Costa Fina, Gaun Cohen. I'm Yakufino, as me as I a manifesto, no Cassianoa. Abro Bias, no Yasin, the manifesto. You be about Abayina. Yatina, you be a man, make Cassidiana, a candy panavidian. Yay, after yes, you see no, a better, you know. I think a woman that be up to to me, Hakona. A woman to you, be with that. And that day you are when come your busy. Young Koma, me, come, and he go see, and this is an easy page. Go see, Busani said. Financial sector now DJ make me support to promise Biana. What is financial sector mess DJ and Yadia no bit me promise be a dear I was associated chenua ebeko.
Okay, why me is is this an admission say manifesto promises and Yadia MPP bet me deliver in 4 years?
Now which of them is the promise? We have made our own assessment. Yeah, you can't see 78%. You can see 100%. Bebena. Yeah, you have 100%. Okunini ba obia. Okoye town hall meeting. It's on the internet. Uko internet, uko Google Ghana government. Obehunu. Ye kasa. The assessment. And who ye. Any the pim ko yenim. Ya yimi na. Ye ko round 2 yi. Ye big chemkina. Ni etimi de awie payo. Na Ghana for one high said economy no ye big chi e ma hwe kan kra obian timi mbe financial reverse bim ye ni swade hu no the person economy no said ya da chi bi no obian timi fam to reverse bim ya se ye see nya 78 okwa imani see ya say we see nya say obian ne bi ono woka ni nyina ni kutwa se ye no ɛho abanfaso asana so hu se ampa yebetini aye ye nso a ebehie yie na megibi se no de Ghana for dodo no ano ɛho ne sa
Ebiam, a final question. Enra, one more table, no, one more segment be our smuggled promises. In fact, Enra, Honorable Kojo Ponkroma, HSM promises in the 388. Na NDC for no at the vision statement and strategic framework. Abeka promises no ehu. Wa me saka we bia betimi aboa sonson ya edam yenu no entem.
Na vision statement a promise. Fail your vision. Vision, long term. That chance of one is what this or die soon. And then the Kenya, who see die soon, no about in Shea Baku or Bay, die soon be dead. Die soon and lady Dapro. And then die soon a vision. May perfect that should be. Me mind, it too pong could drink and we. A bay day, I mean, my to that sample one. I don't know, Bruni friend of Mark. Why a standard beer to what would be actually. Into a friend over and she say, Baku, I'll be Drew Sa and it's what you know, Sada is sono. And it's a fat a Pomudin one. Dear then may have Pomudin one be the same kina, mean, a Modin, I didn't find no Mutimiaco, I could do Sa and it's what you know. Eba adisuamu a ede be na meye amma me nkoda panimfo siade ekontifie bimu no matini aye adwuma masika bo mbutom no matini akwa apem akọ manim akoduru sada yeso no ede be na meye a me nyuma efete niema ebetini apegya nkrofo eno osima na oye ne baako eno no ne yefre ne se boshe ma she bote me fa nipa wa adwuma ko hese mi fa nipa ampa my family naku 100,000. My family nurses, ekikako 100,000. My family teacher for ekikako 100,000. My family for abaya jumam ekikako 300,000. My family sani amano uko abaya nkonta mu ani na wo. Na chese me family power jumam no. Wa anka so be fa obi a obi try adwuma organ bia wo adwuma me fie miensa. Nso wasi mu a sa wo die so no ekoso. O sakra modin o say meto ambulance. And this if we draw some into ambulance. I'm going to don't try yaka. In don't try it's yaka, I be seen it. Abe kakwa. In don't try him. Yen yakoto ambulance, papa. Ahasa. Anyway, Acha Mobia or Ghana. And let's not giant one time TCSC will be him. Yeah, the national bicycle. So, why shouldn't it back? I shouldn't inquire. As you say, Yayen Shaya, you see how be up. How you are very sure you're very big goal. Yeah, you ended for we boom come for someone break that only a drone. And a drone, no, a boy, ya mamma on it for boy, a basso say, yet me the drone, COVID. At the year, and near ma, Crayon, or moon be that. Ina Uni apa, eke, Safalugu, can't even go on temwa. You did much a command, abra wall.
Okay. Why be my no as an influence here?
Michelle.
Lawyer Boabian Samoa, a communications director of the New Patriotic Party. But for the records, Cecilia me check MPPfailpromises.com no. Kwaku. Cecilia Abba. Juma. Adom Juma website.
Na CJ ye kan unse ye amanyosem de eba ne se ya kabima menkabi. It which and adwene na we ache na adwene me ho ne se boshe no woni so wenso so madi so na Ghana fuusua na so kroba ya so ve bia ni ho ese Ghana ni butom so ve bia ni ho ese Ghana ni butom me na wote akurase wotimi to light wotimi nya aduane di wotimi efro car wotimi tuaka wayare wotimi kwa eresabia okwa eresabia yetimi hwe no wonya nduro to masa eno ne so ve wu entina ye so mo beka radio na wo ye press conference ni ade na so wo mo hwe man no no mo nye e ma yen eno ne hia yen sove no mi botom ene sove no me sorry ye manya kakra me so met meka so ayo a ene de hyem ho ntibra ne beje eno ne sove no What you say? Me can say shampoo no.
David, asem kan kwasi.
Me can say.
Hey, when you ambreo.
The something good. Oh, CJ. What's good town? I'm off when you break COVID-19 by year. When you say by human debut, they say shadam kuyi. I maybe my continent and fee near it. Well, I don't need solve no. A quite a fast one boys when you do my year. A quite a fast one. My one also bet me a BBI. No more for my new quarter among Panafoso. Never we are saying, and Pruanin Sayon Coba. And only solve no. A quaya, ye be fast one. Sagana Nikras will cook Roma bar. Wo betimi akwa ba asomdwem no ba bedru fie no na kakra wo ho a wonim se bia ne tikura ne pan na wo so kwa resa bia wo de ko se drone water a water se aduane bi no water a water adi eno ne solve no MPPNDC
Adom 106.3 FM I mean kind Facebook comments no kakra kwaku opon also share live on Facebook I say Nana NDC also borrowed oh there be okay, Ish White and so sharing live on Facebook. So two wrongs makes right. Oh Ghana, this is very shameful. Thomas Awunyo Morte, or what is the meaning of modernization of agriculture? Or no so ne message or there banono. Akwesi Ajiman Prempe and or doing so am I on Facebook. Okay, Akwesi Ajiman Prempe. I say NDC should come out with their manifesto detailing their visions for Ghana rather than accessing what someone could or could not do. Or no so or they are sorry, NDC should stop attacking the opposition and tell Ghanaians what they can do to serve us. Or no so or they are Clement Asamoah or say you have met death and you just cleaned it. What are you doing to the people you caused the mess to? I don't understand Ghana politicians at all. Or no sooner they or they are brain and no. Kwaku upon or say gifty okay. Or reply will be message. Thomas Awunyo Morte, you have borrowed money than any government under the Fourth Republic. Or no sooner they are or they buy and no
CJ my money tell na menko na they find that the obokrata was say Adom say dey ni da so yaba wo manfo mo yare pa COVID-19 no say dey abafu nimde kwan so science kwan so wo mo ato mo no ye de wo mogya ne bi ene no ma bi ba be hwe wo mo yare pa no say dey be betimi aboma bibia timi akonkan ti ene they find that the obokrata no dey aba na hwe anso akwadwo opon kromani fonyini da honorable wo so afo na hwe de Adom Nsem so wo maimu was say disregard NDC's distortion of facts agenda nensama wodi aba no say the NDC for ye nyina ekenken kwa distortion of facts no kura nankasa no ma hyede abunikom and akwat so and no krasa ne ade etigana for montung where the finder the obokrata wode eba ye no na chronicle so the biaba was stop the lies and propaganda we ye kwadwo ponkroma nensama wo kan ye edify NDC for mo press conference wo ye no ho na was say yoi na cop threatens to sue customs over aflau cocaine the obokrata chronicle was akabia ubetumi akono akwa cocaine kabi na dispatch the obokrata nso di biaba was say as he turns 60 today Canada Japan reveals how he made his first $1 million US. $1 million US. Time of making next one and I'm 30 50 baby no make you 1 million. Me kind story no me raho pa me kind story me raho
me tie no o kire sa obosa amane ne pen
wo se wo be kaso in na koke bia no wa trofo
so me kai am so somewhere 1996 and I will make the first $1 million
debut way 80s and will make $dollars na fi what na yes sa abre no wo manfo mu tukwan kwa America na wo mu ni nkrata no itu ono be boa no anya nkrata na so anya sika ho no nya sika ntinye kokain say the ripa bi ke bi mu say na bi say
adwuma no ye no okay
itu no aba wa kuro nani e de aba betudwa ye bompa ye say urade ado be nche ye so be hete 1 million what you say CJ 1 million say unya 1 million say ade be ka CJ be resign
$1 million US.
$1 million US. Kabeza sorry how much. Me kai di we see kunku. In that mind na, but betim from.
Me say obodin keke no.
Bibia be come on. You nya $1 million are still a be adwuma. E ba be to party. I don't unya $1 million. CJ. Ya mon pai bibia be come on. You what you say? You what you bibia be come. Kajagum.
Mo. Duraplus, where Duraplus goes, water flows. Erata Motors for the best car batteries and oil. Buy Speedmate batteries and oil from Erata Motors. Ideal Milk, Ghana's favorite milk. Latex Foam, your partner for life. Societe Generale, SG Ghana, the future is you. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? Akbefe Herbal Center. Why are you saying you make Daruma? And you didn't apostle Eddie Brell. Well, men's our company from you know, my studios have. Wilma Africa. And penny for Atnasi. But no better to come on. Ura Patrick Sapon, I head of trade marketing. And Ura Kwabna at that day. And so if we rather them honor then company in
Care Direct.
Care Direct. Oh, okay. Okay. I want them. Okay. Ma Kwaba.
Yeja.
Okay. Ebi bi aboko de.
Nyamiado.
Ya de nyamiase. Patrick, measure CFU so.
Yeah.
Wilma Africa. Tell us more.
Medasine Akwenye. First of all, Wilma Africa a multinational company.
Okay.
Ghana 2010.
Okay.
Into processing of vegetable oil. The leading company about vegetable oil. The leader in the world. Now, so in 2010, Ghana and you top fried oil.
Okay.
And you produce, say you produce and distribute fried oil Ghana.
Okay.
Now, you sound brands bit say Fortune. And you sound go into soaps.
Fortune rice. Okay. Okay.
And if you buy rice or now your Fortune, your Excel, your Delicious. In brands your Underwoman company.
Okay.
And Sana Oba soap and so your brands bit say Alive. And your Jama laundry soap.
Oh, Alive soap.
Yes, Alive soap.
Okay. Okay.
And Nancy and so yes, Sunday. You can say another soap be by a friend. Easy. Now you sound into margarine and so Fortune margarine.
Okay.
And now you sound launch seasoning. I friend fried or seasoning tablets. I know so say and I launch.
Oh, I see.
Yes,
I see.
But woman there, one of the leading businesses in Ghana. By FMCG space now. Yeah.
Now, you've been in Africa since
Ghana.
In Ghana,
yes,
since 2010.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I see. Well, Mate say Wilma wholesalers achede sonko.
Yes.
Bibisa koso. Boyemu.
Okay, so the attorney say 2019 they start say akwenya bia ye wholesalers no abakote menchen wa. Ye no mu di nkita ho. Eti to say ye promotion ma ye wholesalers no across Ghana.
Okay.
Na proud to that na ye launch promo bia ye friend no fight on Dubai. I did wholesalers best 35 echo Dubai.
Okay.
Fully paid trip. Echo Dubai mom ko Germany.
I see.
They buy in September last year and ye launch a reloaded of wholesalers are cheddar sunko promo. na yɛde wholesalers na ba yɛ factory hɔ mo mbɛhwɛ wɔ sɛ deɛ tie ne ade na de na ɛwɔ mu ne sɛ wholesalers am bɛbɔ mo ho mmɔden within that promo na ɛyɛ na 6 months promo yɛde mu na bɛkɔ Malaysia a yɛ May yɛ twemi
okay
na a fully expense paid trip to Malaysia
okay
na ɛno so makɔ akɔdwodwo mo ho makɔ relax makɔ akɔgye mo ani ne adeɛ eti yɛ launch yɛ no ɛna yɛdi ho dwuma na ɛno so no every month bia wholesaler bia wo meet to target a yɛ ma shopping voucher ntimnya bɛ 3,000 Ghana cedi 4,000 na ewie ne so okay we mu no mo bɔ mo modern tie de mo kɔ Malaysia and say COVID-19 about you can say ban on
close to borders
exactly it's it me inform to crime but you will be before for a mom
okay mami bisa we the wholesalers do was saying na as we speak money on my adwuma
wholesalers no me adwuma dom doso so far you were over 1,002 wholesalers across Ghana omoto yen soaps yen oil ne yen margarine ne yen rice ne bibia ne seasoning no omodoso
I see mama ne kwabena nkasa kwabena wo ye wholesaler megidi sa wo de ho ahye Wilma wholesalers achede sonko promotion wo de ho ahye mu bi metimu so wanya mfaso bi wo so wankasa nsa wone Wilma fo enante ye tesen.
In fact, me business year must start adwuma kakra bi 2018 and I'm starting in 2018 no almost started say money din komo about wholesalers promo. I wasn't so my name but actually 2019 they know me call you no more launch no more invite you no and no me no strike me me call you no me ko hu omo plantation na my building ho ne ade I realize say omo company no is big and the me company na started for the meet me no mo nyini na me ko hwe omo introduce apart from fried corn no mo introduce a friend soap alive omo introduce a friend margarine omo introduce seasoning omo introduce few other products na mo so no company bit ma boa and you know mo de to akwan mu say omo my target in fact manage pa say me ye and me dey me team ko share say ade na say ye ni atimi me wini bi no ye no nyame adum every month bia na yenya no less than 4,000 vouchers am de my 4,000 month on month ani etimi wini ndi ewie ye no omoka mama target ndi etimi miti target no mu wie no mka say omo de embetu kwan say do mu de kan no akwanto no ne yetwen but I say COVID by no ne enim say wade na nya maso biem ndi recently no mo frɛ ka chen say akwanto na nka de mo kɔ no ya nya maso enu nti no ye chemo tricycle in fact manage pa
wow
manage pa apart from say no money nya month on month nyina almost I dem tricycle as in fact me I ready me call na makoje animu ha ya na afi ya de akoye adwuma say dey say no
okay well me da say pato
yes
yawadai then ekoso
anti yawadai ye invite omo di inkunim no and say winners no invite them na buy in factory ho
okay
na omanka edo mo ko Malaysia ye nyanfo manko no na ya present your checks TMO bia 10,000 Ghana cedi
and Thursday no answer number present tricycles no dia ma
eno mo munya tricycle no so ya present your tricycle fully branded they can ye nkasa mo abobo ya de bucket esi
no
fefe ya present ya mo no mo so aye mo checks no edo mo checks
prices ni bi den wabo tricycle no so wabo check but then bi on account
and the name na bi kan we to say every month bia no and the wunya meet to target o Melcom voucher there na unsaka ibi mutiminya say the minuity o kan so timinya be 4,000 ibi mutiminya 2,000 ibi mutiminya be 7,000 8,000 busumi bia unsabeka yeah na yewie so a yawada na yesan launch new promotion ama ye wholesalers ni say currently situation ye wo mi COVID
any wholesalers mo pampa
omo ni wa ye ni ho nti you use this opportunity at the same time they are launching a much bigger version of the ni omo eye no
okay kwa na pese o kan bibi
ye na pese me kan ne say me pese enkanfo nyina na Ghana ha nyina omo ye ready
okay
the omo de beto so bia no it is real enya dia in fact ba kon bia me jamu ba omo lunch no ba me be testimony o se no onima market tam omo be ko Dubai
no
ana ye frame ami Mammy so one your friend is a time now soon tears over Senko. Or some mammy so town Quadaso. In a co if ye and Okwaje ne passport. O free on one yeshi straight to airport and Okofa plane or decoy.
Wow.
Enti no media who say Adeno Omuniagro. Enti the Omudi to Subia, Manyanti yes the car. Me peka ma me I'm going for that one for my wife.
but Patrick, how long that promotion they run here?
Back on run it 6 months. The ever being to be running for 6 months.
Okay.
Nyameboa. Na said your car, no. The car is so. Is apart from car, no. Nyama be break and me person meeting who ene. Okay. Nyameboa Thursday mo bar. You invite me some umbra.
Sure.
Be who nyama be bra. Yes, and the count. Ultimate in the cars and your campo cars.
Cars.
Cars near be.
Minyana come here wholesaler. But no, how many wholesalers na mo share ni musa omo de ho be share sa promo yin?
This one in particular, share as many wholesalers as we can. And it doesn't really matter the number. So far as we bet me meet the basic target.
Okay, because now can be sir, it's a wholesaler. What do I have to do to be part of this?
Oh,
of this
so
promotion?
a wholesaler, there were 3 different options. And so be a home de nyepe. Wholesalers or Ghana, you know, ofo be Ashama naso be let's say Bunkrugu Yonua or no be Ashama omo sebi or my home de nyepe. Into our options means
okay.
Auto there's a total of 300 cartons of YMB in a month. And yes, at a gumpo in a month, o qualify. Second option, so near auto a total of 900 cartons of YMB in a month, and also o qualify.
I see.
And a third option, yeah, auto a total of 2,200 cartons of YMB at the go. Within a month, okay. And also qualify.
Okay.
It's very flexible.
Okay.
Yenka se betoni na at a go, but tonen kakaka within a month, no making sure at least what me achieve or target. And we ya oka at the hope.
Okay, yeah, didn't come out to train base, but Memo Maquenya, over Gabana, na wasim bisa. I mean, what's a my chat for? What's a my chat for?
CJ made the mechanic Ghana for. One of our bamine.
Okay.
Into be unfunny hunshim. Now, Omonyama and Yefe. Nansan and Mecono, me bappini, Quados me that day, or didn't birthday, and then Mefaquania is now my wishing.
Nice one.
Na Maka senior me, I'm holding in Yansan in the Apiamano. Na Nisuko Consul in Yabona to me and Nedru, baby or Kunina.
Pato?
Yes, CJ.
We'll find our way.
So, my final word said, your wholesaler say Nimuno. Bobby a shebia yediso. Woma yaba here to stay, and that said they are supporting I answer supporting over the years no promo yaba be launchy omunko so no mun supporting na promises be ye demo mbia no ye be deliver even over deliver
Yes, Patrick Sapon, your head of trade marketing, Wilma Africa Limited, Kwabna Adade, wholesaler, Direct Company Limited. What time? Oh, come on, member Hawaii. Member
shine your light on me, shine your light on me. Lord, you set your love on me, set your love on me, yeah. And I can say that I am blessed. I do not
twetwe baako ediso na afei akoya nim Mask for All project and for so atranse na meni omo twetwe nkomo Cecilia Esiama Yeboa, a critical care nurse, also a volunteer at the National COVID-19 Treatment Center. And Norbert Datsen, a event and media consultant with a coalition of event managers. Yes. Good morning, welcome.
Thank you. Thank
you. Norbert, we free coalition of event managers.
Yeah, event managers.
Oh, okay. Cecilia also so a volunteer, National COVID-19 Treatment Center. Cici, we are nurse. Okay. And my chance in free, so ladies first. And the kind catching Mask for All project, but I been a territory, Cecilia.
Me da si bebre me fa konya wen so achia o manga na ne Adom FM phone nyina.
Yeah, also.
Max for All project no e dwumadie kase bia coalition for
the coalition of event managers and suppliers.
Yes. Any ankra bi aka wo mo ho abom epese omo emboana maxa ye share de kata ye hwene ya no so de be ya ye chicha na ye transmit COVID-19 virus no ye boa ama adoso se ne be ya ankra ni nipa ko bia betimi enya bi na etimi ye see yare COVID-19 no ekwan.
Okay, that's a very laudable initiative. But Norbert, amongst safety precautions, I see sanitize your hand, practice social distancing, and face mask. I didn't face mask now. What you see, Norbert?
The kind menfaka cranka.
Sure.
So as the name says, in the coalition of events, event suppliers and managers, no. Event organizers, and looking at that we are most likely to be the last resort to recover from COVID-19, and we thought it wise we'll add our voice to what's actually happening, the fight against COVID-19.
Beautiful.
So we all came together with our resources available to us to put the word out there to fight this virus, so that we can all get back to work. And at the end of the day, through organizing of a virtual concert to
no but to Brunion
chino kakra intino the frafra intino eno titru ne jumadia yeji intino yes face mask no eno ne one of the major PPEs are here to protect yourself and also stop the transmission of the virus. And we share in Yamadudo Munina and no ena ninya a tired day man for because they be only be kasa oh yes a won't found san can be crap crana still only be kasa intine se wunya face mask na it me eboa ema yare no to intino enya no nko but sanitizers near there home but we just use the face mask as the forefront of our initiative.
Okay, wunya nurse intima mimbisa nurse no na ono betimi atremu ye antiness face mask how important is it in our fight against COVID-19?
Face mask ehia pa yebeka ya enche bia just about 3 or 4 months ago no get say yare na man ho se dem pa or USA China Hungary major areas all around the world but if you move forth now say if you move kakra be no mo say face mask no ebra wo mo edi shetu on crowd say almost no yare ni ba form crowd flatten the curve almost to the barest minimum and research show say through respiratory aerosols, so there will be a wincing, will be a boa, sir. I want deep in a mind to show any standing man aerosols never into the atmosphere. No, so face masks no ever prevent it. That transmission from person to person. And see, face mask in there, you say respiratory aerosols now the major mode of transmission from person to person. Face mask no act as a barrier to prevent the person to person transmission.
Okay.
Face masks no.
Okay, but meaning say face mask ne obi o disposable.
Yes.
And obi o so reusable.
Exactly.
Just me dey ekrami say reusable.
Yes.
Bibi say how do we treat it? Kwan be na fa so treat it and san na metimi asan use bio.
Mo me nua be ma mesa da was biem. Reusable face masks no. Yeah, advocate say at least between 12 to 24 hours you should wash it. Yeah, there's in so many seminar. Wash area, fasten area no so boy any disinfection more or less. Yes, the ultraviolet rays now area no. Into area no boy one face mask just in case say a bit more. Then afterwards and so some you can iron. Into what iron no and also so a boy germs now maybe in the course of the day your face mask could have been contaminated with it will get rid of it.
Okay.
Into the any disposable na also ube reuse yeah making sure say brain na yeah this in so any seminar air washing na ya hata ama awo na ya tuso and also and it becomes very safe for a reuse.
Okay. Me do a free reusable one no. Near your disposable face mask, tell us how to treat it, and then again, the different types of mask. Because when I'm promoting who will be mask, and I would say, hey, COVID-19, the assemble.
You face masks, you were more who do me,
okay,
broadly grouped, you were medical face masks, and you were non-medical face masks. Oko hospital environment now, what you say, usually the health workers, almost a particular one. And no the uria after use na say what I come into contact with obia or why you really be no suspected case na was unji na dispose your back say friend N95 your FFP1 your FFP2
okay, those
ones are the medical ones but the non-medical ones na you what the cloth marks na mostly what chrome no you use and only there after usage it's advice say wash now hata now what to so now I say reuse and no you don't have to discard it after every use,
okay,
but you can like treat it again now I say use.
Well, Norbert,
yes,
now the be come
I wanted to me person me de kakra eka dia me di kan about your initiative into ye ne Creative Arts Council and AMA in partnership with MultiMedia and ye sa dwumadie we into ye de beto amanfo enim say ye requested for donations of masks into wow person will support it Yembiano with me multimedia has now about be donate you mask no and I say your number or honoma will be to me afraid.
And before I didn't come out to Cheney Basin, remember the number no at but Cecilia clearly Oshe Tama Yariba during the lockdown. The seriousness near the observing protocols for one sa obe rabebiano very kabakasi anymore who tissue liquid soap near there. Now as we speak ya relaxes protocols no enyina unhunu wonam kroma nose mask you amanfo nhye ya for so kodwomu asa trotromu ya tetete near there nsa no kwan uhuru bio ebia wo ye nasi obetimi atu ya fukakra obi befu se bia yare no eni ho COVID-19 no obi kura say say obi oben me pa nya bia nsa na meje di say COVID-19 yare no e wo ho tuyafo antenes
eno de me nua be ma ombo because me ankasa ma fa taxi taxi driver na catch him say yare we de eni ho bia no obi person fa hu bi nto Ghana for so me hye mo yare no e wo ho pa e wo ho me wo Ga East Treatment Center for COVID-19 as a nurse I have nursed people with the infection to a peaceful death and have nursed some also to recovery. To say a bit of her mushroom woman efim because of your railway.
When you hear one free COVID-19.
And your barco and any me, and Timmy and now and Cassa Yareni ho, ho. But then say, you say Yareni were honey, then she say, a binding Juma, a pom dear Juma 4 dear book from a Juma. Me a sure say, a Yareni and cautious to send us a say, young I say, and Kofu did say, or be to see any ho. Yareni there were home messages to dress a ho. A bit to me, a travel question.
Can't many be fast when you're no. Kaka and kakra.
Yarenu dear, say a benya, mostly no, if ye knew a wabo. Nipa bogu nipa so ana se ebia or wensi entina ye bia stress obia enhye ne marks no afa se ya fa seriousness anka ye hohoro yensa every time I want to say that we should regularly wash our hands. So ya wash yensa Jareno what be mana so be when settle on surfaces.
Okay.
Until the surfaces can easily get contaminated. Na the yensa kape na ya anya conscious of it and ho yensa na ya mfa hand sanitizer and fifa yensa brani nyina ebe kan yensa ma ebe de be kan yani mana ya no ma ya no akoyem afa ya door handles no every time ya bie puno we be some na we bie no ko we be some ebetimi aye contaminated.
Okay.
And every time we come into contact with a door handle make sure say the hand sanitizer fifa and from time to time to young paper so surfaces and now handles now you used to be no.
Okay.
One thing I want to really stress on personal gadgets.
To say phones, laptops, iPads,
you know. My brother, you can name them. We are used to always sharing things here and there.
Yeah.
But I think that the president said we are not in ordinary times. So we should please get a bit conscious about that.
All right. Yeah, the conversation is no bet. For now, so we person donate face mask nibia number ben on friends.
Okay. Intime pacho either say we be back kokomlemle ha na waba multimedia na waba be donate mask no and also betimi afre number way 0595 851 160 0595 851 160.
All right, Cecilia and Nobek, thank you very much for coming.
Thank you too.
Right, we wish you well. Brilliant, laudable initiative, I must confess.
Brand new mercies every morning.
Oh, happy day. Why is Cecilia Esiama Yeboa?
Lord, you set your love on me. Set your love on
Oh, yeah, volunteer. Oh, yeah, nurse. Sounds like volunteer at the National COVID-19 Treatment Center. Nobet Datsen, event and media consultant with a coalition of event managers and suppliers.
And I can say that I am blessed. Adom
1, and 12 so.
my life. Goodness and mercy, kindness and favor.
A very good morning to you, Apostle Daniel Forsen, Senior Pastor, Fervent Prayer Temple, Gospel Truth Ministries International. Apostle, good morning to you and to your beautiful wife, Alberta Forsen. Eric Esia Dubuedi. I'm running to fan home.
Yeah, I've taken myself.
Kedua.